नमस्कार, एबीसी न्यूज इंडिया में आप सभी का स्वागत है। 17 तारीख के बाद 2 हफ्ते का लॉकडाउन बढ़ाया जा सकता है 31 मई तक। शहर में कोरोना के मरीजों की तादाद बढ़ती जा रही है। पहले दिन भर में 50 से 60 मरीज आ रहे थे, अब एक दिन में कम से कम 100 से 150 मरीज मिल रहे हैं। अब पुणे शहर में कुल संख्या पहुंची 3500 के करीब। 200 के करीब अब तक कोरोना मरीजों की मौत। तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं आज की विशेष खबर की तरफ। फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमण ने किए कई प्रमुख घोषणाएं। 20 लाख करोड़ के आर्थिक पैकेज के 8 बड़े ऐलान। फार्म गेट को मिला 1 लाख करोड़ की सहायता। क्या प्रमुख घोषणाएं की, देखिए इस रिपोर्ट में।
Storage centers, yards from where they have to do it. So this fund for 1 lakh crore is being created. Here private entrepreneurs, agricultural entrepreneurs, startups, all of whom are now looking at facilitating by procuring from the farmers and reaching out with value addition to the global markets, don't have the infrastructure. So this fund for 1 lakh crore will immediately address that issue, and that fund will be created at the earliest. Food enterprises who are micro in size, we shall be providing a fund of 10,000 crores. It's a scheme which will get executed with a cluster-based approach. I recall Prime Minister Modi when he spoke on the 12th of May, speaking about be vocal for local. This is one of the ways in which the local capacities, the local value-added product can have a global outreach, can reach out for global markets and build brands. They can create products of global standards, and therefore marketing them globally will also be assisted through this fund. I go to the third of the 8, which is looking at logistics capacity and other provision of facilities for under the Matsya Sampada Yojana, which was announced during the budget. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana was announced during the budget. But clearly the amounts and the provisioning and also making sure that critical gaps are getting filled are all now getting through, and we are announcing it for execution immediately. What this would mean is for activities related to marine, inland fisheries and also aquaculture, this money would be provided. We expect it will give employment for about 55 lakhs of people, and it will help in doubling India's export to reach 1 lakh crores. We also hope that this will bring in better standards in traceability, laboratory networks will be provided, fishing vessels, new fishing vessels can be given for fishermen and so on. New fishing harbors can also be built. So, in order that we ensure 100% vaccination of all cattle, all buffalo, all sheep, all goat and pig population, nearly 53 crore animals. India is one of the largest livestock bearing country, and therefore for a country of that size with one of the largest stock of animal with us, FMD has to be eradicated. Therefore, till date, beginning January, in spite of the lockdown difficulties, 1.5 crore cows and buffaloes have been tagged and they have been vaccinated. Animal husbandry, particularly dairy sector, can now really take the advantage of this kind of a activity which Government of India has done. Therefore, 15,000 crores will be spent for dairy infrastructure. This will help, and we also hope that many private investments can also come into this area because it has great potential for export, great potential within India for the market. Various items, whether it is milk or powdered milk or butter, ghee, or even any cheese varieties which we need for domestic or for international consumption, are all possible. Promotion of herbal cultivation. There is a National Medicinal Plants Board. 4,000 crores of rupees is getting allocated for this purpose. This board has already supported 2.25 lakh hectares of area under cultivation for medicinal plants. We think greater 10 lakh, up to 10 lakh hectares will also be brought in for herbal cultivation in the next 2 years, with an additional outlay of 4,000 crore, which is what I'm announcing now. And this will help generate at least 5,000 crores of income for those farmers who are engaged in this cultivation. As it is in the Western world, we hear a lot of people speak how the disappearing population of the bee, the honey bee, has led to crops now suffering for want of pollination agents. So cross-pollination, which happens through bees, don't happen that much like before. As a result, beekeeping is an initiative which is recognized globally. It is an amount, but it is not a very big amount when you're comparing several lakhs of crores, but it is an amount which is important, that can be at a level of absorption capacity also. 500 crores for beekeeping initiatives. Many of the supply chains have been disrupted for the farmers, particularly during the lockdown. Operation Greens is a scheme which is running at the moment to take care of tomatoes, onions and potatoes which are being cultivated, which come to feed the cities, and they've had very serious implication because they are perishable and they had to have distress sales. So farm level support needs to be given, otherwise such distress cannot be prevented. So the scheme features are such that they get 50% subsidy on transportation.
आगे के अपडेट के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ। ABC न्यूज़ इंडिया आपको रखे आगे।